so important. What is the role of CC signal? Cable detection. What is the cable detection? The CC pin identifies the type C of cable connected. Orientation detection. It's even although detect the orientation, whether it's a top side, whether it's a bottom side. CC1 it's a top side and CC2 it's a bottom side. Role negotiations. What is the role negotiations? It's determine if the device act as a source or sink. Power delivery. What is the power delivery? Type C charger carries 5 volts, 9 volts, 20 volts. Based on the BMC code, power is getting delivered from the charger. Current flow decisions are being decided through the BMC code as well, whether it's going to send 500 milliamps, 1.5 amps or 3 amps. Accessory mode identification. The accessory pin is also used to detect and configure accessory mode, audio adapter, debug accessories or alternate modes like DisplayPort or HDMI over USB-C. This is all getting done by CC line. The CC signal is so important. You need to